what I do is I give it a few seconds on either end. That way I can edit it really easily. Okay, so now, right, I'm here. Paul, tell me a little bit about yourself.
Well, I'm a new hire flight attendant from class 1321. Forever 21. I wish I was still 21, but Christy knows my real age.
Yeah. You just look 21, probably to the day you die.
Anyway, my dad, passing this on, taught me this to help entertain children, and if there are ever any children that you need to keep occupied or whatever, you might want to learn this. So,
what is your name?
My name is Paul Guerrero.
And
I'm based in LA.
Wonderful. We have the most awesome flight attendants at LA. And this is in memory of your father. What is your father's name?
My father's name is Severo Guerrero.
And are you Filipino?
I am Filipino.
So, and I wonder, is this some
origami?
Okay.
I don't know if you want me to disclose what it is or just reveal it as it happens.
Reveal it as it happens. It's so exciting to do things that way.
So you're just going to make a square piece of paper. You can do it off of the paperwork that you get that we never look at, really. All I'm doing is making a square. So you just get rid of the excess. Oops. Now the perfectionist in me would have hated this, but I think I can work with it. It will not affect the finished product.
I'm sorry.
A square. Now the longest process of this is this section. It gets pretty tedious, but...
So what are you doing?
I basically, there are these lines here, I'm making a diagonal to the corner and only folding up halfway to the line there. So there's a line that divides it. I don't want to crease it all the way, only up to the line, so halfway. Okay, so I'm doing a corner diagonal and halfway.
Quarter diagonal.
Quarter diagonal and halfway.
Okay.
All the way through. And we're almost done here. Oh, we are done. Okay. Then. Oh, shoot. Hold on. Hold on. We'll salvage this.
Wow.
I have faith.
You are so talented. This is one to, he's also a figure skater.
Oh my God. This will hopefully salvage.
Hi, buddy. And this is the, oh, I don't want to put him on YouTube, but we have a little friend here who we've been trying to entertain. And
oh no, I might have to.
He's right by my side, but we're not going to put him on YouTube because, you know, you're too beautiful for YouTube.
Trying to make another bird. Oh no.
Do you mind starting over? I'll cut it and then we'll get to that spot.
I think you got it.
Did you salvage it?
No.